welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. Thank you so much for joining us on this really amazing collab, California Dreamin'. I put this collab together, my first ever. That's why I wanted to keep it small. But California is such an important place for my family and I just knew that there were so many artists who would jump at the chance to help out. So I just contacted a few and everyone's like, yes, we're in, whatever you need. So I wanted to make this auction as easy as possible. Right after this video at 5:45 EST, the auction will go live, and you don't have to panic because the auction is going to be open for a full week. So it's going to end the next Sunday, a week later at 8 p.m. EST. So all you have to do is keep outbidding everybody because we really want to support this amazing cause for the California Fire Foundation. They help firefighters, they help families in need. All the money goes directly to them, and they're a really great organization. And so I really hope that you look at all the videos that we just did. Please check out the auction website. Please bid on all your favorite artists. And I want to thank all the amazing artists for jumping in and just going with the flow and helping me along the way as I kind of was figuring out how to make a collab, but it actually was quite nice. So enjoy, bid, love you guys. One more thing, Kathleen wasn't able to do a full video. She was busy, but she really wanted to help out. So I'm going to right now show you the piece that she is putting up for auction. It will be on the auction page when you want to look at it.
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations, and this is my little lady that I am donating to the fundraiser for California Dreamin' Fire Relief. Thank you so much, Lisa Marvin, for putting this together. Thank you to my fellow artists for your time and your wonderful, wonderful pieces that you've also donated. This is a 12 by 16. It is framed. It's a gallery wrap canvas. It's a flip cup and a swipe, and we've gone ahead and added some fun Kozo papers down here for some texture, a little bit of brushwork, and yeah, I'm excited to send it your way, guys. Thanks again for being here. Show the love.
Okay, we're just gonna go wild. I'm going to use this new hair dryer that I got. It's called ZPP. Now I got it originally because the mouth is like this, it's flat. And I was hoping that it wouldn't create like big flare-outs. It actually does, but it makes it look really flowy, so I don't care. What I do like about it is when you turn it on, you can choose cold, medium, hot. I love that. Okay, we're just like, I'm just gonna throw down all the sunset colors willy-nilly. Should I do willy-nilly or should I do like the warm colors on the bottom and the cool colors on top? I don't know. Let's start with Anchors Away, Sherwin-Williams color to go. Now I do want negative space on this. So I am going to, let me just mix it up a bit. I am going to lay it out and kind of spin it a bit so I don't have to spin too much at the end, because I want to see those flowy petals that I create. So we'll see how that goes, right? All right, let's start with that. That was about 3/4 of this, but we'll see. Okay, so let's put a bit more in the middle so I have something to blow out. Okay, let's talk about colors. I'm gonna start with TLP Gilded. It's so bright and will be like a beautiful center sun, okay? Now I am gonna do more of maybe a rectangle, so when I blow it out, I can do more of a rectangle blowout. I don't know. All right, I put a lot of gilded. It's gonna really shine. Okay, I am gonna use just a touch of the Horizon. I'm not a big orange person, but just a little bit, okay? Now, I am going to use TLP Comet on top. I'm gonna go like kind of reds on top and blues on bottom, okay? Comet, right? And I'll do some TLP Persephone. These are all piggies. Oh gosh, it's gonna be quite shiny, maybe a little melty, but we're just gonna hope for the best. Okay, then, like, I have a little bit of this Purple Rain left, like just a drop, so why not, you know, just put it right on top. Don't want to waste anything. Okay, now, on the bottom, we're going to do TLP Velvet. Okay. And TLP Aquamarine. So basically I've just done all pigments, which I tell people never to do. Because basically what's going to happen is, if you want like big popping cells, you need structure with the two paints and fillers. But since we're just going flowy, I'm going to pretend that that's not an important rule. Do you know what I mean? Because it is what it is, right? So, I am going to top it off with this tube paint just to go under the Cell Activator, the Old Holland light yellow. Just a little bit. Okay. Oh gosh, are we nervous? A little bit. Whatever, we're just going to go for it. So I'm going to do a line with my Cell No. Yeah, fine. I'll do a line. Ready? Just like that. And then we're going to blow it out. And it's going to be gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Turning her on. So I know already I'm not going to love it because the shape is too kind of round, like the flowy petals aren't great, and the middle isn't great. But what if let's see the color. Ooh, the colors are really pretty. Should I just like super stretch it out and see what happens? I don't know. It would be cool to make a landscape out of it, but because I didn't leave myself a lot of paint, it won't be that easy to stretch out. So if I put more paint, then I can tilt the way I want. Let's just go for it at this point, right? Okay, so I put more paint, it will give me more leverage to tilt the way I want. The colors are really pretty, if you can see. I'm really loving the aquamarine. Now, so here we go. If I just spin it now, we're just going to see this and it's going to be boring with no interest. So we are going to stretch it out beautifully. So I'm going to start making this kind of like the sky area. So we're going to go slowly this way. We got to go slow. Good. Okay, we got that guy off. I just need to get this guy off. And then this guy off right here. Okay, let's see if we can actively paint a landscape while it's wet. I really love, I can see the rock formations here. So I need to make a water line, okay? So the water line is going to go, hey sweetie, oh shoot, okay, here we go, the water line. We're just making a water line. I'm trying to paint a landscape while it's wet. We'll see how that goes. So we have our line. We can start making waves over here. This can be like the beach. Maybe I should have done the water line this way, now that I think of it. But if we make this the beach here. I love you too, sweetie. Okay, I'm putting white cell activator on the back of here, okay? And I'm gonna start making waves. We're just gonna make like rocks, okay? More gold. And actually, on top of this gold, I'm gonna put some aquamarine, okay? And I'm going to swipe it like that, okay? So I decided to speed it up because it took a long time, but I just kept putting cell activator on the back of my knife, and then I put a different pigment, either the aquamarine or the velvet, and just started swiping. And I know it's looking like a hot mess, but just trust the process. I'm really enjoying doing this because when the paints are already stretched out, you can make these waves and get cute little cells. I wanted to make a little sun there because I saw that's kind of where the light source was coming from. So I put some yellow and I put some gold and I just kept blowing it out just to make kind of like an abstract sun. Let's see how it dries, and maybe I'll add like some gold for the sun. Let's do a close-up. Be right back. Okay, guys, here's the resined version. Definitely super sparkly, definitely super abstract. I love how this is just all sparkly pigments, mostly interference. The gold kind of crashing through the waves, and the background's looking very much like maybe some water splashing up or some clouds. It is so sparkly. It's kind of pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you love this piece, please head over to the auction, bid on it, bid on other artists' stuff. Thank you guys so much for all your support. We love you so much. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you to all the amazing artists. Please click on the auction, share the auction, bid on the auction, do all the things so we can do the best that we can to help the people of California. I love you guys. Bye.